Here she
Alright, it works. Give it more stuff. This broke in 3 pieces, or 2 pieces.
Which I witnessed.
This used to be the switch, which goes right here. So I just, what's the, splined them together or something. And what else did I do? Tape, hot glue. I guess that's it. I took the wheels off, even though they're made to be taken off. I think that's about it.
kind of windy today.
Oh, and the antenna came out, so I had just to tape it back on.
All right.
Now let's see if I can take off. That's the hardest part.
Have fun with that. That didn't look too hard.
I can't keep up with it. I don't even know if I've got it.
What? I'm trying to get it out of the sun so I can see it some.
Don't let it land over there. Lose it. And it's dying.
Loop-de-loop. 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 Got 2 loop-de-loops in a row.
Should have lost your glasses, Alex, like your sunglasses.
Oh, I have it out of the sun now, so it's not that big of a deal. It's hardly going anywhere. Too much climbing.
Uh-oh. Loop-de-loop. Just kind of floating, ain't it?
What? motor go on.
Oh.
Right now it's off though.
I guess that one turns the tail.
Yeah.
Can you bring it down?
That's what I'm
So I
trying
can
to do.
see both of you, the airplane and the remote control together. There we go. Bring it across here again.
Well, let me
if
do
you can.
another pass.
Okay. Don't let it crash.
I'm trying not to.
Here she
Fail!
Motor
Man.
I didn't worry about you.
Rain is splattered all over the grass.
Oh, it's just Velcro. It's not made to stay in there.
What if your brain wasn't made to stay inside your head? It was just held in there with Velcro. That's probably how the airplane feels. Frankenstein.
Alright, well. It still works. So that's a good thing. I guess. Alright. Try it again. Where is it?
Where is it? That's not a good question for the pilot.
I almost lost it. It's hard flying solo.
Yeah, I bet.
Actually have to care about
Do you
it.
think he'd let me fly it?
I don't know. You know how to fly it?
No. But I can learn.
Probably not.
Did you say Grandpa had an airplane?
What?
Did you say Grandpa had an airplane?
Yeah, he had a remote control one, yeah. But he also had real airplanes.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
I thought you said he had a remote control one.
Yeah, he did. Wow, I missed that. 2 loop-de-loops in a row. That's got some speed, doesn't it?
Uh-oh. Oh no. Can I save it?
See if you can land it on the roof. That would be legitimately awesome. Well, not that tall roof, but the one I can actually get on.
Oh, you can get on that roof?
Yeah. There's one back there like ladder. Should just climb up.
I don't know. Let's just see how high I can get.
Alright.
I'm losing speed.
Don't you want to lose speed if you're gonna land? Where'd it go?
Why is it going up? I don't want it to go up. There we go.
Wow, good landing.
Now, how do you zoom in?
This zooms and comes out.
Where is it? Aha! Wait, where is it? Ah, crap. There it is. He landed it without killing anything.
You didn't even have much altitude
I
on
know.
that.
I was a little worried it was going to hit the ground though.
Cool.
Ta-da!
Go glide.
We got no power. The power's gone. We're gonna have to
Yep.
crash land.
We have no motor at the moment. It has died, and now we're going to land.
Wow, good landing.